Hello, it's me from Kai before. The phone footage found that in 1994. So, yeah, there's something outside in my house and for this monster. It there's a roar, or no, this is supposed to be a spider, a giant spider in your house. I tried to walk outside. And I found this is coming from my house. Yeah, maybe he's coming my house. Yeah, this is the picture. I will show you the roll. This is the picture. Okay. There's a next one. I found this footage. What is that supposed to be? I don't know what the monster is that. Yeah, I will show you the roar. I will show you the picture. Okay, here's the roaring monster.